Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be doing something, a little different, but not too different. We're going to be talking about how to make money from home. So right now we have this nasty virus going around, and I can't say the name because I'll get demonetized on YouTube, but we all know the virus going around, and it's making people, not being able to work at jobs they normally have. It's really making us kind of all work from home, and so I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create some income and get some money from home. So before we jump into the episode, right now we're doing the AirPods giveaway. So how you enter, it's super simple. All you got to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and then like my Facebook page, Carter Farr. Once you do that, you guys will be entered for the giveaway. So let's jump into the episode. Hope you guys enjoy it. Roll the intro. Let's go. Bam! So the very first thing that you guys can do, especially because we're all going to be in lockdown or in quarantine, is to start going through things and selling things. Now, I'm sure you guys might have already thought of it, but honestly, it's a quick way to make a couple $100s to even upwards of $1,000 if you guys have things you guys no longer use, and you can easily flip them on either Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and or eBay. It's a great way to build up some cash and to have some cash in the bank, so if you guys are out of work, you have a little bit of, an emergency fund. Now the cool thing about selling stuff is it's a great way to get cash quick. You have to put in little to no effort to actually get it, and obviously this is not a passive income stream, this is more of an active income stream where you have that product and you just sell it. So some of the top things that I would highly recommend selling: electronics, sports memorabilia, sports cards, and books. Those go quick, and it's a quick way to get a quick turnaround on your money. Now the second thing you guys need to do is go ahead and smash that like button. Do what you guys do. I hope you guys really get some education out of it. So let's talk about the second thing. So the second thing that you guys can do is it's called freelancing. So what this means is if you guys are really good at doing like an online service, and this could be anything from like graphic design, web design, video editing, photo editing, pretty much any online service that you can think of, you can do, and you guys can get paid either hourly for the project. It's a very low cost and a high reward way to make some extra money to get through this time. So some of the top services that they do have is graphic design, digital marketing, writing, video and animation, music and audio, programming, business, lifestyle, and industry. So pretty much 10 things that all revolve around online, so you don't have to go somewhere to actually get money. Pretty much you guys just put a gig on their website, either on Fiverr or Freelancer, and people will reach out to you and say, hey, I need to get a logo done, and they'll send you some stuff. So you don't have to leave the house. All you guys need is a laptop, and you guys are good to go. So the third thing that I would highly recommend doing, this is definitely more of a long-term approach and less of a work from home type idea. This is running out of space. So if that's, say you guys have like an extra room or a basement that you guys don't use, and there's a room or a bathroom, you guys can easily get anywhere from $300 to $500 per month for just having somebody live with you. And I know you might be saying, well, I don't want to have anybody, live with me. And that's kind of true, but you guys can like run background checks on them. It could be a family friend. There's a lot of people that are honestly looking for affordable places to live, and that's a great way to get some money. So that could either go towards your mortgage, towards other things that you guys have. It could be a free car payment just by having an extra person stay with you. And the cool thing about that is it's a passive income stream. So once you have that person there, money's going to be coming in. You can either sign like a little lease with them, or you can kind of set up a verbal agreement of you guys have to stay there for a year, 6 months, or however you guys set it up. Now the fourth thing that I can highly recommend doing, this is definitely a long-term approach, but still a great way to make some money during this time where we can't really leave the house, and this is starting a blog. There are bloggers that make anywhere from $10 to $100,000 per month just by writing about things that they're passionate about. So if let's say you guys are passionate about baking or some sort of vegetarian lifestyle, you guys can create a blog that has recipes, and you guys can set up affiliate links. So if somebody, buys a product that you recommend, you get a certain percentage of that. And there's a lot of actually websites that do have affiliate programs such as Amazon. So obviously with this, how you get paid is either affiliates or you can get paid through AdSense. So how you get paid, it's very simple. You can either get paid through ads or you can get paid through affiliates. I would recommend setting up both because it's more income. But how you get paid for ads, it's super simple. If you guys go on like any website, you'll see little ads off in the corner or little pop-up ads sometimes. So that's pretty much how the web host gets paid, because advertisers will want to be on your site and they send you money to be on it. And so you can make a lot of money doing that, and setting up affiliate programs is just an extra earnings on top of that of stuff that you recommend. Now, the fifth and final thing that I can highly recommend doing during this time of, confusion is starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the best ways, in my opinion, to build up a passive income stream that is reliable and you don't have to work every single day for. I do, because I enjoy making content, but the only cost that you guys need is this: an iPhone or a phone. There are hundreds of free video editing softwares available. Obviously, you might need a computer, but there's a lot of apps as well that are literally free, or maybe $1. Spend $1 to make $10. It's a great long-term investment. And the great thing about YouTube is you talk about things you're passionate about. So I'm passionate about day trading, investing, money management, stuff along those lines. So I talk about it every day because I love it. I love talking about it. There is nothing I would rather be doing than creating content for you guys. So obviously with this, I'm sure you guys know you guys can make a lot of money, anywhere from literally $10 all the way up to hundreds of thousands of dollars per month just by creating content. And the great thing about this is you can have a merch line, you can have a course, you can still set up a blog, you can still set up affiliate programs. So there's a lot more income rather than just one. So those are really the top 5 work from home, strategies, and work from home, side hustles and jobs, and just some extra ways to make money. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something. And if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button. Do what you guys do. Don't forget about the AirPods giveaway, because it's coming up shortly. Really, the only thing I need to do is now just get the AirPods. We're going to be doing it probably sometime next week. Honestly, it's whenever I can get AirPods, whenever I can go out and get them. And with this virus going around, we never know. But overall, I really want you guys to stay safe, stay happy, stay positive, and really just have a great time. Because I'm sure you guys know I'm going to be making a lot of content. Since I can't go anywhere, I might as well do what I love to do. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, probably in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, guys. Take care. Roll the outro. Bam.